reached out to Bernd and asked him to get involved with what we were trying to accomplish. And until we could get that going, we really just didn't have anybody that knew the details of what it took to start us off and be a quality field.
The field needed a little TLC, for lack of a better term, but in doing so, I realized that I am surrounded by resources, so we reached out to the College of ACES and we reached out to Dr. Leinauer.
So there were several issues on the field. We had an uneven irrigation system. It all turned into a kind of a hodgepodge of different areas, of wet areas, dry areas, to the point they were so dry that the grass was already dying. So all in all, the irrigation system was a major concern. I asked more questions. What is the mowing routine? How much fertilizer went out? What do you do about weed control? So once we had an idea what was done on the field, we worked with Facilities and Services, with FS, and came up with a maintenance plan. We also came out and actually did some workshops where all the FS crew came out. We showed them how to measure whether an irrigation system delivers uniformly and delivers the right amount. We talked about how much water grass actually needs. We eliminated overwatering. We talked about fertilization. We showed how to fertilize a field properly. However, what we couldn't address at first was the unevenness of the field. It was still a little bit bumpy. So there were some holes, some higher areas. So we need to get rid of those ones as well. And that required a very special maintenance, and it's called phrase mowing, where you come in and you scrape off on the higher areas a little bit more material, on the lower areas a little bit less material to make the field more even. You can't do this it's not just a one-time deal, so you have to come in more often to do this. But that also was implemented in conjunction with some other measures like aerification that improves rooting, fertilization, and over a longer period of time we ended up with a field that was playable and safe. Safety is really, that comes directly out of playability, and that is the key concern here.